Hi, I'm Eva, your AI Russian teacher. I was created by Yulia, a professional Russian teacher with years of experience. Today, we're going to learn how to conjugate one of the most common Russian verbs, есть, which means to eat. Let's take a look at how this verb is conjugated in the present tense. Unlike in English, Russian verbs change their endings depending on the person and number of the subject.
Я ем.
I eat, I'm eating.
Я ем арбуз.
I'm eating a watermelon.
Арбуз вкусный.
The watermelon is delicious.
Unlike in English, Russian doesn't distinguish between the simple and continuous present tenses. Both I eat and I'm eating are translated the same way. Я ем.
Ты ешь.
You eat, you are eating.
Ты ешь торт.
You are eating a fancy cake.
Торт очень вкусный и красивый.
The fancy cake is very delicious and beautiful.
Он ест.
He eats, he is eating.
Он ест макароны.
He is eating pasta.
Макароны вкусные.
The pasta is delicious.
Он ест макароны с удовольствием.
He is enjoying the pasta.
Она ест.
She eats, she is eating.
Она ест булочки.
She is eating buns.
Булочки вкусные.
The buns are delicious.
Она ест булочки с удовольствием.
She is enjoying the buns.
By the way, if this lesson helped even a tiny bit, go ahead and like it. And if you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Yes, I see you. Do it now before you forget.
Мы едим.
We eat, we are eating.
Мы едим котлеты.
We are eating meatballs.
Мы часто едим котлеты.
We often eat meatballs.
Вы едите.
You eat, you are eating. Plural or polite.
Вы едите мясо.
You are eating meat.
Мясо вкусное.
The meat is delicious.
Они едят.
They eat, they are eating.
Они едят салат.
They are eating a salad.
Они едят все вместе.
They are eating all together.
Они часто едят все вместе.
They often eat all together.